Organizes sports, swimsuit competition begins with our contestant number 8, 18 years of age. She stands 5 behind and she measures 32, 25, and 33. Comes to the Golden Store with a phone number D304, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Lovely Nabos. Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 10, 22 years of age. She stands 5 behind and she has a vitals and distance of 32, 27, and 33. She hails from the city of Angelescity. With a number D158, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss Jamaica Vega. Going on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 11, 22 years of age. 5 23 and 33 from Caloocan City. Winning code number D476, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Michael Jordan. Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12, 23 years of age, 5'1" in height, and she measures 32, 26, and 36. From the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, winning code number D389, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shakira Enrico. And she measures 34, 24, and 33. Also from the capital city of the Philippines, Metro Manila, winning code number 132, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Leia Siga. Winning that number second to the nest, contestant number 14, 26 years of age, 5'2" in height, and she measures 32, 26, and 36. She hails from the tropical island of Lincoln. Winning code number D409, representing for Miss Claire Contestant.
So that's her. Number 14 earlier. So that's her number 14 earlier. That's her. Or number 14 earlier. There's a mini competition scoreboard.
Hey, get this, man. Look at she's a fruit,
Let me see.
fruit and delight, and I got all the heavy eating stuff here.
Healthy living. That's right. Wait, marami na ba? Wait. Pero, may pansit na. Good?
Good, really good.
Basta yung parang... Sayawan mo nga, Titoris. Do it kayo. Dali!
Robert, I love you, Robert.
Oh, okay, sige.
Picture coming from you, I love you, buddy.
Okay, kainin mo na. Eh, para sa'yo yan. Boom shaka laka laka boom shaka.
As I said, ladies and gentlemen, final look at your final beats. If you have your favorite contestant, helping out to make it to
Yung
the top
14
7
mapuwit, no?
finalists to be announced in a
14
few.
mapuwit.
All you have to do is post a page from one of the Bikini's wearing red shirt, running around. It only cost 100 pesos for the 6 strands of
Maputi. Yun
beads
yung kaninang 14.
and 5,000 pesos for the golden
Nasa natin, di ba?
beads. Golden beads is equivalent to 300 strands of beads. Remember, gentlemen, beads are the only criteria for. Good man. Good.
Kinis ng balat. Solid. Sayawan mo. Ah. Kalapitin mo, Doris, kalapitin mo.
Second finalist, ladies and gentlemen, ready. Double beats of 528. Contestant number 10, Shakika Vega from Philippines.
Ayan yung tangkad. Number 10.
Third finalist with a total points of 511. Contestant number 1, Sherry Bernardo. Fourth finalist with a total points of 394. Contestant number 8, Loki Nevels. Fifth finalist with a total points of 307. Contestant number 5, Loki Nevels. Sixth finalist with a total points of 249. Contestant number 15, from Lollipop, Claire Bautista.
That's my girl.
And our next finalist, with a total points of 242. Contestant number 6, Lima, from the House. Congratulations to our top 7 finalists and to all the contestants who didn't make it. Thank you so much for being part of today's show.
Pero parang mananalo ang Hawaii.